Why do you want to be a franchise? You want to have a business. You want to have a business which is established business, right? Which makes profit. That's the purpose to be a franchise, am I right? Well, what you are getting out here, you're seeing so many exhibitors in this hall. Not only these exhibitors, you can find more in business, is established business. People who are offering a business on platform to you, which has been proven, which is a profitable, that's the franchisee model. You don't have to worry about the branding. You don't have to worry about production. You don't have to worry about whether I'll get the established market or not. It's all established, it's all proven. Not by one person, maybe it will be by hundreds of people who has proven it. So you're getting it on plate. Any business, you look at it. Then the question is, why is the company offering a franchisee? Why can't they do it by themselves? That's the question you must understand. Well, it is the enterprising skill in a person which makes a difference rather than an employee. This could be one reason. That they feel that a person who comes in and looks at his own business will do it differently than a person who is working as an employee in the company. The second reason for having a franchisee could be that they want some capital to be induced in the business. They're looking at your capital as part of the business capital. That could be the second reason. So you need to understand which model suits you. Third thing is there are certain franchisees who looks at skills in you, whether you have the required skill to do that business or not. So you can't say that you are a financer and you put this money and business should run and let the franchisee operate it. Well, there could be some businesses like that as well. So you need to choose the correct franchise, correct principle for the interest which you have to select a franchisee. This is what I like to sum up. In India, we have established a business of water purification. We, a company, we came out with the latest model of water purifiers. As we are progressing ahead, we are deteriorating our water. The water quality is getting deteriorated because of increased dissolved impurities. They require a better water purification system to sustain life. We used to think that take out water from tap and we can drink it. Those days are gone. And in future, I don't think we'll get water which will be drinkable from tap. So to tap this market, we require two types of franchisees. People who can go and sell the purifier, and second type of franchisees are the one who can service the purifier once installed. So we are looking for both type of franchisees, and our models are very well established, quite profitable, least investment. Another advice which I like to give to this audience here, once you want to become a franchise and you become a franchise, then how to operate a franchisee itself is an art. People tend to put in their own methods of improving the franchisee model. Well, I would suggest, please don't do that. The principal has made a model which is a well-established model. Please be honest and follow that model. That will give you a better confidence in business rather than not following half of the model.